EasyClicks is a 100% done-for-you traffic solution that is already delivering an increasing volume of high-quality traffic for all our members. EasyClicks is brand new, but our approach to traffic generation isn't. It's based on the same viral systems that power the Easy Hits perpetual traffic machine. That's a free membership site that's been generating amazing results since 2018. Now, Easy Hits is quite hands-on and it can get a bit technical for beginners. Some of our members found it a bit complicated and time-consuming to set up properly. So we created EasyClicks as a fully plug-and-play version of Easy Hits. EasyClicks is simple, fast and affordable. You don't need any technical skills or experience. There are no big out-of-pocket expenses. And you can have visitors looking at your offer, literally in a matter of minutes. So if that's got your attention, let's take another look at those all-important questions and see how they apply to EasyClicks.